Hello everyone, myself Sangeeta Joshi and today I am presenting a lecture on chapter number 2 of class 11, that is structure of atom. The chapter is introduced with the student with the help of a very exciting ice-breaking activity in which I tried to compare. uh, I just showed them this type of a pics in which I asked from that which is the smallest component present in this building, and then the answer which comes out to me from by the side of the student, that is brick. Whereas on the similar one I have shown a picture of a human being which is different, made up of a different type of a element like hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon, calcium, oxygen, phosphorus. All these elements are present in the human being, and I asked from them that all these elements are made up of whether the same type of atom or the different type of atom, and the answer comes from the student, that is that these are made up of the different types of atoms. And as I just compared that, as in a building the smallest component which is present, or the smallest we can say the block which is present in the wall or a building, that is a brick. Similarly, in the same one manner, matter is made up of an atom. So this was the ice-breaking activity by the help of which the chapter is introduced in the classroom, and the lesson plan for the chapter is in the beginning were prepared, in which I planned up that how many periods the chapter will take, and what will be the strategy, what will be the learning objective, as well as the outcome and the methodologies which we used. That was also planned earlier and mentioned in the lesson plan. Then these were the learning objectives in which the students will be able to know about the discovery of electron, proton and neutron, as well as their characteristics. They will also be able to describe Thomson, Rutherford and Bohr atomic model. They understand the important features of quantum mechanical model of atom, as well as electromagnetic radiations and Planck quantum theory. Students will be able to explain photoelectric effect and describe its atomic spectra features. They will also able to establish the relationship in between the de Broglie and Planck quantum theory and Heisenberg uncertainty principle. And they will also be able to tell us about the quantum numbers, and uh, students will also able to write the electronic configuration of atoms. Then the different types of methodology were used to explain the lesson, like in the classroom and more online mode of teaching. Different animated videos were also shared with the students during online teaching, like Shiksha House, Diksha Portal, or many YouTube videos, 7Creative, etc. Different resources are chosen, the best one resources with the help of which the topic, a complicated topic, becomes more easier in this chapter. So I just to show you the example of it.
बाउंड्री ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, उसको हम रेडियल प्रोबेबिलिटी कहते हैं, और दूसरी प्रोबेबिलिटी है एंगुलर प्रोबेबिलिटी, जिसमें कि हम कोऑर्डिनेट्स लेकर के आते हैं, एक्स वाई जेड डायरेक्शन लेके आते हैं, उसके थ्रू करते हैं. ठीक है.
So this type
The
of
probability of finding an electron in a particular direction or angle can be depicted by boundary surface diagrams.
ठीक है.
The boundary is drawn where the probability density remains fairly constant. The region inside the boundary surface depicts the orbital.
So similarly, the topic was shown. The topic was also tried to make more interesting. The topic was introduced in the help of integrated with the music also, like in this one video.
Well, quantum numbers, yeah, you better have learned it. I tried to grasp it all, but it's just so damn confusing. So I wrote this song to help me get along.
Similarly, this was the another one presentation. It was also explained, the topics was explained like photoelectric effect in the form of a PPT, and in which the more pictorial forms was chosen so that it becomes more easier. And so the topic was also explained with the help of an experiment in which the atom is a what is an atom, that is trying to shown on, like here a carbonate test is performing, but basically that carbonate is made up of the carbon, so that is supposed to be formed. And
okay, better, now we are going to perform the confirmatory test for carbonate. I have taken the W tube, and why I have taken the W tube? That first of all I have to take a salt in a dry test tube. This is a dry test tube in which I have taken a salt and add water into it and then take the filtrate of it. Okay?
So in this manner also with the help of experiment it was explained that during live class also the different types of compounds, when they get overlapped with each other and asked from the student, that is also showing in the classroom. So like this, here I am presenting a little bit idea.
Okay, fine.
An atom is joined by single bonds in this molecule.
ठीक है, अब ये क्या है हमारा?
Looks like this.
बेटा अब इन्हें बहुत ध्यान से देखना है, इसमें मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है, इसके अंदर आपका
so wherever the complicated topics are going on, they are also explained with the help of and during their live classes. Now the health regarding aspect also showing to the or discuss with the student, like electromagnetic spectra is the topic which is included in this chapter. So in this one, like there are many health issues related to the radiations, that is also discussed during the class, like exposure to the ultraviolet radiation that can cause premature aging, that can causes cancer, and it causes a very highly side effects on the skin. Eye problems also can be caused during the radiations and weaken the immune system. So this one also created, and many activities were later on when the topic was completed, then the activities given to the students, and the students also come enthusiastically in front of us and shown a lot of interesting activities here, which I just want to show to all of you. Like this one, a child has a student has made a tried to make the structure of an atom in which nucleus and the electrons are revolving around the shell. Then they also prepare the number of presentation.
Good morning, everyone. Today I, Anta of class 11, will be discussing about the black body radiation. Now, what is a black body? A black body is an ideal physical body that absorbs and emits all incident.
Okay. Similarly, the few students also prepare the beautiful mind map in the chapter, whatever they have learned. So this is the learning outcome also, that the children apply that knowledge and in the form of a different activities. Like these were the few art integrated activities in which they try to show the SPDF orbital, structure of atom, and wallpaper in the structure of atom. Like this Bohr model of atom was also shown by the students. So these were the art and interestingly 2-3 students, they try to compile the shape of the orbital in the form of a beautiful method, and this was a joyful learning for all of us. One student prepared the model of 3D model of a S&P orbital in the form of a balloon. It was very exciting to me also. And at last I have shared the class assignment with the student, in which there was the back exercises, questions were discussed, and the different competency based questions, MCQ form of questions, and different assignments were given to also with them. These were the different types of questions was given to the students. Apart from this, the resources which I used in this chapter, that there were Diksha, Shiksha House, YouTube, ePathshala, CBSE, MCQ Mastery, Udan, etc. So overall, I just want to say that I tried to cover up all the points which were given by the NEP in this one topic. Thank you.